Hi, I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters.
Today we're going to be learning, we're going to prepare a few Canada Day treats. One being a watermelon slushie, and
then we're going to show you a beautiful Canada Day cake. So we're going to be starting with the slushie.
My kids love this slushie. This is one we tend to go to a lot. We use up all the leftover watermelon that we have. So we have some watermelon. The Thrive Limeade powder. Some sugar. Some ice. Did you want to add a little water, or did you want to?
Well, we'll try to mix it with, and then sometimes it's enough liquid, and so we don't require any water, but we're gonna give it a try without and see how we do. All right. This is extremely refreshing, isn't it? In the summertime, it's great. And that is it.
Watermelon slushie.
Okay, so now we're gonna work on the cake, the Canadian
Looks like a
July
Canada
cake.
flag.
Yeah, it's awesome. So I'll start spreading whipped cream on the top.
We cut the cake just so it was a little bit more level because it humped over a little. So you're gonna start with the Cool Whip while I take our Thrive strawberries. I just took some out of the can, and then I'm going to put them into a Ziploc bag because I'm gonna crush it into a powder to decorate our cake. So.
All right. Now I'm going to be putting this also down the sides. Make it all white. Ooh, I love the freeze-dried strawberries on that because they're so...
Oh, I just floofed some powder. I like to, with the powder, you can make so many things just by powdering it. You can make it into a sauce, add a little bit of water and sugar. You can also add it, just the powder pieces, to yogurt or a smoothie, into oatmeal. So, okay. I'll just
We're
let you
almost
finish
finished. Yeah.
You can also throw the strawberries into a blender and powder them that way as well. It's just another way of doing it.
All right, we're almost there.
Looks
This
nice.
is, and it's quite a light cake. It's not really, really heavy because of the whipped cream rather than icing. So I like that.
We might need to touch it up after anyways because we're gonna put that on there.
Okay.
And so we just cut out Canada flag, the leaf, the maple leaf, and we'll place it in the middle. And I will add the powder into, oh wow, came out really fast. Okay.
And I'm just slicing fresh strawberries so we can trim these sides with fresh strawberries. Strawberries are pretty popular in the summertime, so you want to be able to, and they're pretty light too, so it makes it for a nice dessert. Okay.
Come on, work for me, baby.
Oh, that looks amazing, Kathy. That's awesome.
I don't know if we need to do much more. I think it's pretty...
Yep, let's just
Cool the way you
trim
have
the
it.
side on both sides like a Canada flag, and we'll the strawberries that way, and it's, I think we might have enough.
I think so.
Yeah, it looks great.
finish that.
Woo, sliding.
You could do it with icing too if you wanted to, but we'll turn that around.
All right.
Our little Canadian flag cake.
And so today we made the watermelon slushie.
And a Canada flag cake.
So it's to enjoy for the festivities.
Give us a thumbs up if you like this video.
And make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell to be informed of the next new video.
And remember,
you can do this too.